Good morning, children. I welcome you all to your EVS class. Children, as we know, we have started our previous chapter, which was Birds Are Feathered Friends. So today we are continuing with the same chapter with a different topic. And our today's topic is Nests of the Birds. Children, birds build their nests for the same reason we build our homes. They lay their eggs in the nest. They do not build their nests anywhere and everywhere. They choose safe places which are safe from enemies and bad weather. They use twigs, grass, feathers, pieces of cloth and pebbles to build their nests. They make sure that their nests protect their young ones from being eaten by enemies. Every bird has a unique way of building its nest. So, today we shall learn about the different nesting habits of different birds. Starting with the weaver bird. Weaver birds are known to build the best nests. They use grass and dry leaves to build their nests. Their nests have tunnel-like entrance. Next is about the tailor bird. A tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to stitch the leaves to build its nest. Likewise, a woodpecker makes holes in the tree trunk to make its nest. It lays its eggs in those holes. Eagles and vultures, they make nests on the tree tops. They put few sticks together in the shape of a cup where they lay their eggs. As we know, penguins are the flightless birds. That means they cannot fly. So they make their nests on the ground only. They collect small pebbles to lay their nests and they protect the young ones in those nests.